Hello, everyone. Well, do you know that there is no synonym to word caste in India? It's quite shocking, right? Uh, Actually, this is something which has been imposed by the colonial mindset, and that's the reason there is a kind of a class and social status which has been imposed on the society here in India. Well, I would like to tell you that before the colonial concept came into practice, there was a Varna system which was based on the temperament of a human being instead of something which was given with respect to the birds. So, if we look at the historical background, it has been mentioned in the Purusha Sukta, which explains that all parts of the universe were created out of parts of a single cosmic man. Now, what is cosmic man? It takes the awareness about the concept of micro and macrocosm, actually. And it is something derived from the Sanskrit literature on which various shastras, Jyotish Shastra is also based on the same concept. So it's a it's a wonderful concept, though I would like to precisely mention about the four parts of the society which are mentioned in the Purusha Sukta, that were Brahmana, Kshatriya, Shudra, and Vaishya. So these were the four different parts of the body of cosmic man. So, as I mentioned, the cosmic man can be perceived if you are aware of Jyotish Shastra or the science of light, which gives an idea why it is considered as mystical eye to a person who practices Jyotish, and with which a person can perceive that it's very much there in every human being if one relates the concept of micro and macrocosm, which is related to Jyotish Shastra, though it comes even it has been mentioned in the Vedas as well. So I would like to precisely mention about what it indicates with respect to the cosmic man. If you look at the legs that are related with planet Saturn, uh, if you look at the navel part, the belly, it is associated with planet Mars, whereas the arms and the chest region is something which we can relate with Mars, and then the head region is related with Jupiter or Guru Brahaspati. That's what we say. So let me put it in this way, that the legs are something which we can relate with Shudras, or we can say unskilled work, which is done by everyone, but it's certain things are predominant, right? As we have uh, three doshas too, so these varnas are also dominant in one person or the other, and this is something which we can relate with by birth. It's the temperament what a person carries from one life to another. So legs are related with the Shudras, though if you look at the esoteric point of view, it is associated with the two steps of enlightenment, which is mentioned in the ancient lore. It's a wonderful concept, though people generally do not see it from that perspective. And Saturn is again a planet which is related with Brahma. Actually, it's the slowest moving planet, and when we go a step ahead about the area around the waist, it gives us the idea about it is related with planet Mars. I'm sorry, planet Mercury. So Mercury is again it's related with commerce. So it is, that's the reason it is associated with Vaishya Varna, that is mainly of trades, businesses, occupation of the sorts. And if we look at the higher concept Lord Vishnu is related with. There are two deities. One is Lord Vishnu, and one is Kuber. So, Lord Vishnu, if we look at from the broader concept, it takes us to the uh, concept of Harihara, that is combination of Shiva and Vishnu, right? So it takes our awareness to the mythology of that. However, if we look at the concept of the occupation, like businesses, trading, classes who works mainly for the sake of earning money uh, through small businesses, that is related with, or even businesses or trade of any sort, they are related with Vaishnava group. That is Mercury, the lower aspect of Mercury. Higher is something which is related, which is going to again the Harihara concept, left and right hemisphere. And then is the Kshatriya, that is the warrior concept, the Kshatriyas as kings, as it has been portrayed in the ancient epics, Mahabharata and Ramayana. So the warrior thing is related with the soldiers, or sportsmen, or any. I mean, mainly warriors in the ancient times. That's what I'm indicating. Kings, to be precise. However, if one look at from the higher aspect, it is related to the planet Mars is related with Lord Kartikeya, right? He is the healer, or the person who who knows about the third eye, because the if you look at the mythology, the third eye is related, deeply related with the uh, Lord Kartikeya, and uh, the reason we devote our energies towards the deity, which is very much familiar, and about its mythology behind Lord Kartikeya. And finally, when we reach at the head, it's related with Brahaspati Guru, or Guru Brahaspati. It is the Deva Guru, actually. It's the knowledge which is deeply rooted in Sanskrit literature. It's that's what it has been portrayed about the ancient seers, sages, which has higher knowledge, to whom even the king bowed. So that's what has been portrayed, and they used to have more authority as compared to kings, because they used to seek solution from them after renunciation. That's the highest goal one person can seek, is about moksha. So that's where it connects to. So, it is indicating about the four Purusharthas which has been mentioned. So, that's what the Brahman indicates. It's about, you have the entire vision about relating the micro and macrocosm, because the universe is considered as a huge mind. That's what science indicates now, and that's precisely is about having a vision. Once you are moving towards the Kshatriya part of a higher dimension of Kshatriya part, which is related to a Lord Murugan, or Lord Kartikeya, as mentioned in the mythology. So, if you relate that and you have the vision through the third eye, you see it, how it's there. You get the idea about the cosmic man with the vision of Jyotish, and you can relate all the four Varnas temperament within one human system, one human system. Yeah. So a human being has all four traits, though one would be more dominant as compared to three, the way we have gunas, as I mentioned. So I hope you would have liked the unique interpretation of the Varnas. It's not about division, it's that is present within. It's nothing has to be seen outside. It's just you need to go in and see the reality, how you connect. And we have related with the four purusharthas, and the highest one is the highest on the letter is moksha, which is related with Brahmana, who has the entire idea about what mythologies and what Sanskrit literature has to indicate. I hope you would have liked the concept. If you have anything to share and comment, you're most welcome. Thank you. Namaste.